Muslimah. Student Muhammad Iqbal, Muhammad Ali.
کلمه د محمد ویل کفر دی کلمه د محمد ویل کفر دی کلمه د منور خان ویل ثواب دی Respectable guests, honorable teachers, and my seminary fellows, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It's time to start that where we are living, and it's time to start where we are, and that's a time we are facing the different challenges of internal and external world. My topics about Muslims and Ummat Muslimah. Who are Muslim and where is start of Islam and Islamization. OIC, IS. First, I will introduce that who is Muslim. Muslim, the follower of Islam. Islam is the one who is the major religion in the whole world. And Islam is honorable religion, and it is more realer, more greater than the others. It's time to speak about our leaders, Holy Prophet Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He was such a great leader who was saying that, who are talking about that, who tell us about, even though we are taking bath, we are walking, we are going anywhere, that is one of the world leaders. And it starts our day by the greatest name of Almighty Allah, and where Islam's start from. Islam is started being from Saudi Arabia. It was a country of Saud Khan, and we are the Ummah of Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him. Please silence. कहीं ये सुजदे तुझे काफिर ना कर दे इकबाल, कहीं ये सुजदे तुझे काफिर ना कर दे इकबाल, तू झुकता कहीं और है और सोचता कहीं और है. And the great issue nowadays we are facing that is OIS and Pan-Islamism. Pan-Islamism is started been from IC, that called Islamic Cooperation, who told us that we are never been clear of someone and we will never be cleared. And that's called IS. So I requested you, all of you, my dear audience, it's time to show how we are and how we were and how we will be in the whole world. We are about 1.3 to 1.5 billions of the population of the whole world, and we are facing such a great issue nowadays, and that is not that we are facing. And what we are facing now? We are facing that the others are cleverer, that the others are making us clever. We never want that we will be clever. हम कभी किसी के गुलाम नहीं होना चाहते. And there's a time to be united, and it's the time to be cooperated. It's the time to show how we were, how we have, and how we will be. And that is time that we were, and it's time to show we were being pan-Islamism that who were talking to us that we were neither be clear, and it's time we should have to end the geographical fundamental particles, and we have to be united. And it's time to show what we were, and I have here to show that we will be united, and we will win the when we were here, and show how to work, how to pass, how to learn.
MashaAllah, this was Muhammad speaking about the topic of situation of Ummah-e-Muslimah. पिंडार में मौजूद तमाम हाज़रीन से गुजारिश की जाती है कि आपस में गुफ्तगू से इज्तिनाब करें और मुकर्रिर साहिब को गौर से सुनें।